Hey, this is Winn from PALS and Adeola, and I wanted to demonstrate to you a very easy way to decorate your room. It's by using small stickers and cardboards and other small assortments that you can buy, or we can assist in purchasing for you through our local Dollar Tree. Many people buy posters and pictures to identify themselves, and this is a great way to personalize your room. Your room is what you make it. It can be all white walls, or you can add a little flavor to your room. If you need assistance in choosing or purchasing these items, please just let us know. When writing your name out, try to separate the letters with your fingers to give the right amount of space. Personalizing your space makes you feel good, and it will also make your room very inviting for others when they come into your room. Please keep watching all of our self-improvement videos. We are here to help. Thanks for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to keep up with the rest of our content. Catch you later.